Just me and only me walking down the street. It's a good. Ah! That hurts. What? What's that? Yay! Hi, I'm Bendy. You need help? Okay. Even though he could be the devil, he could destroy the world, and he could take more souls. I'm not gonna take anybody's soul. Ow! Ow! What was that? Come here, little boy. Holy crap! Oh my God! Where could he go? I can't be that dumb. Huh? Whoa! That would be a good idea. Should be close. Huh? Where's that? What the? No! No! Now, hit him with the swing. You're not getting me, devil. Yeah. So lucky you always have a plan on me. I'm not done. Come on, you scaredy cat. Huh? What the? I can use it to fight back. What is he doing? Too slow. Money? Is that ink? What the? Well, whatever that is, it's not important because I gotta kill him. No! Nani? Oh my God, what is this? Wow, did I actually do it? Oh. Ha! Alright, turn around and there's something there. Get off my head! Well, so oh my God, what could drink you? Yeah, it tastes like milk. What the?